Wombat poop is cube-shaped. Yes, you heard that right. These adorable Australian marsupials have the unique ability to produce cubic droppings, a trait that's not just for show. Their square-shaped poop is nature's quirky way of helping them mark their territory without the droppings rolling away. This incredible feat is due to the wombat's intestines, which stretch and contract unevenly to mold the poop into cubes. Scientists are fascinated by this phenomenon and are studying it to understand more about biomimicry and manufacturing processes. So next time you think of nature's oddities, remember that wombats are stacking up some of the quirkiest building blocks in the Australian outback.